Hey guys, how's it going? This is Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we'll be going to look at this gaming mouse from Cosmic Byte, and the model name is Pulsar V2. So in this video we'll be going to look at, and in the later part of the video I'll be also reviewing it. So let's just unbox it. So guys, as you can see, this is the box itself, and as you can see on the top we have Pulsar V2 model number and the Cosmic Byte branding, and there's a picture of the mouse on the top. So yeah, that's what it is, and the box is not that much of complicated. Yeah, it's a pretty simple box. So let me just quickly unbox it and we'll see what kind of contents we'll get. So guys, first thing first, we have the mouse itself covered in this pouch. So yeah, that's nice. I like the packaging, like how they are presented the mouse. Yeah, the pouch is there. And these are some of the leaflets, so let me just show you all the things. And guys, actually I bought this mouse from Amazon. I also have the link in the description, so you can check that out. And as you can see, it's Cosmic Byte exclusive membership or something. I don't know exactly what it is. And we also have some stickers as well, so if you're into that, then it's there. And this is the CD or DVD, whatever that is, in which you will get your software. But don't worry guys, you can also download the same from the website, Cosmic Byte website. So yeah, that's much easier way. And let me just take this mouse out and we'll see how is it. So guys, as you can see, this is the mouse itself, and in terms of looks, yeah, actually it looks pretty good. The initial impressions are actually pretty nice. So as you can see on top, we have a Cosmic Byte branding, the Pulsar V2, and some of the DPI information. And guys, about the DPI, it can go up to 4800 I think. And on the back we have Cosmic Byte branding again and your DPI sensor. So yeah guys, and as you can see in terms of looks, I like the looks. And yeah, and it also have RGB, so if you're into that, then that's there. And guys, in terms of build quality and looks, yeah, the build quality is good. Yeah, it's not the best I've seen, but yeah, considering the price point of this mouse, which is 700 rupees, the build quality is good. And we also have guys RGB features, so that's nice. I'll talk about that later, but because of that, the mouse actually looks pretty great. And yeah, there's a DPI button in between, by which you can change the DPI of the mouse, and you can also customize the DPI in the software as well, and you can customize so many things. So yeah, that's nice. And as you can see guys, in terms of looks, it actually looks pretty good. We also have two buttons at the sides, you can also customize them. So yeah, and we have I think 7 different colors in this. I'll talk about that later. And yeah, so that's what it is. And now guys, if I just talk about the cable quality, then cable quality is actually really good. It's braided, and yeah, that's nice actually, because in some of the gaming mouse in this price range, we usually get braided cable, so you don't have to worry about that. It's pretty good, and I don't have any kind of serious complaint with this. So yeah, and now if you're a person who uses his mouse on glossy surface, then guys, yeah, it works on glossy surface, but not as good as it works on your mouse pad. But yeah, if you're a kind of guy who uses his mouse on glossy surface, you can do it, but it's not work as good as works on your typical mouse pad. So yeah, that's there. In this mouse you'll get 6 DPI options, so you can choose from that: 800, 1200, 1600, 2400, 3200, and up to 4800. So you can simply choose what kind of DPI you want, and you can also customize this DPI in your typical software. So yeah, that's there. And in terms of comfortability guys, this mouse is actually really good. You don't get any kind of problem while using this mouse for a long time, because my hand actually sits really nice on this design. And as you can see on the right side, we have a Devastator mouse from Cooler Master. And in terms of design, I would say I'll give kudos to the Cosmic Byte, because it has really minimalistic design and it's pretty streamlined, so your hand actually pretty nicely sits on it, instead of the Cooler Master one, because yeah, why not? As you can see, the design is actually really good, and yeah, you don't get any kind of problem if you're a kind of guy who uses computer for a long time. Then I don't have any kind of serious complaint. You can use it pretty nicely, because in terms of comfortability, it's actually really good because of the design, obviously. And now guys, let's just come on to the RGB features. Then it does not have 16 million colors or anything like that, but yeah, you have a choice of 7 colors, so you can choose from 7 colors, and you can actually customize your RGB features in the your computer software, so you can do the same in that one. So yeah, so guys, that's it for this video now, and you should buy this mouse or not. Then if you looking for a mouse for around 700 rupees, then you can definitely go for it. But let me tell you guys, it is actually on a little bit of a heavier side. Yeah, it's not that much heavy, but it is actually a little bit heavier than some of the mouses. But yeah, that's actually what it is. But I think some of the people's like heavy mouses because of some reasons, I don't know. But yeah, that's actually what it is, because this is actually really value for money mouse. So yeah, so guys, if you want to buy this mouse, I have the link in the description below. You can just simply go to that link and buy from that link. It does have the channel. And if you have any kind of questions about this mouse, guys, then you can ask me in the comments below. I'll try to answer all your questions. If you want to buy this, yeah, I have the Amazon link in the description. If you like this video, then hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do, guys. But if you like, then get subscribed, guys. What you're doing, just hit that subscribe button. It'll be really helpful. And peace, goodbye.